Welcome back to another Gale Bears Repairs. Just a quick video today on how to change the interior light bulbs or lamps on your 2018 Seat Arona. Right, let's get on with it. So just going to show you how to replace the lamps on the interior light of this 2018 Seat Arona if you've got one out or you wanted to upgrade them. To gain access to the light bulbs in here, the lamps, to replace them or to upgrade them, get a flat blade screwdriver and then put them in there, but don't go too deep with it. Don't dig it in like that because you'll get the light fitting. So just go in shallow behind the lens and just prise it down. Get your finger in there then, look. On this forward edge, get in there and just pivot him down like that. So what we're trying to get is pivot this down like that and then slide it out towards the front of the car. So you get it like that, pivot it so it's just popped out now, and then slide it out. So you're sliding it out past those little tangs there. So that gives us access to the bulbs. Once you've got the lens off, this is what you'll see. So you've got your reading lamps there, look. So that's that one and that one. And then your actual interior lamp, will get me fingers out the way, is that. So it brings on all three. So to replace the main center interior light, it's the fuse type. I'll call them like a fuse type lamp. So you grab the lamp there, and then there's just the metal connection at the end here. Just prise it out and the lamp will come out. And it's a bit of an old-fashioned lamp really, these. I used to have these in old Sierras and things, in my old Metro. So that's the lamp. When you replace it, you just put it in at that end, or one end of it, bend the spring out and to accommodate the other end. So you just get it there. I've got fat fingers, so it's going to be difficult. And in he goes, and he just sits there. He just rests in the spring clips. So that's pretty basic. I'll get the ratings off of it in a minute, and then we move on to the little reading lamps if you've got to replace them. I was just trying to twist them out like a bayonet fitting. That didn't go well. So I can't pull them out with my fingers. I can't grip it enough and get them out. So use a pair of pliers, but don't squeeze them hard. You'll smash the glass. So it is literally just lightly pinch them and pull them out. Look, it's that style of lamp. There we go. And then when you've got your new one, you just get him up there. You could do that without the pliers. And just push him in. There's no orientation. You don't have to be 180 out or anything. It can go both ways. The same with this one. It can go either way. It doesn't matter. So that's your light fittings taken care of. I'll get the ratings off them in a minute. And then to refit the lens, you've got these two tabs here, look, and then these guides here, if you can see those two guides. So you tuck them up in there towards the rear of the car, tuck them in there, and then just literally snap that shut. It's that basic. Best make sure it still works or the wife won't be happy. I've been messing with her car for a video. So they're both working. I would guess you can upgrade these to LEDs, but it may affect the wiring of the car. It may bring up fault lights and such. A nice easy job to carry out on your 2018 Seat Arona, how to change the interior lamps for the reading lamp or the main interior lamp of the car. The information you're going to require is, these are called festoon lamps. I never knew that. I just thought they were fuse types. So a festoon lamp 264. So if you type that in on the net, a festoon lamp 264, it'll come up. And also the little reading lamp are 501. So that's the bits of information you'll require. If you would like to watch any of my other Seat Arona videos, you can click on a link that should appear here now. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative to you today, could you please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.